my friends. Today, I want to tell you a story. A soft, meaningful, encouraging story about the value of effort. There was a boy named Manav. Manav was not the best in class. He was not the fastest. He was not the smartest. But Manav always tried. One day, there was a school race. All the students were excited. Manav wanted to join, but he felt nervous. He thought, I am slow. I cannot win. Others are better than me. He almost did not participate, but his teacher said, winning is not everything. Trying is important. Manav decided to run. The race started. Some students ran very fast. Manav ran slowly. After some time, he was far behind. He felt tired. He felt weak. He thought about stopping. Then he remembered his teacher's words. He took a deep breath and kept running. Step by step, he moved forward. Finally, he reached the finish line. He did not come first. He did not win a prize, but his teacher smiled proudly and said, Manav, today you won something bigger. You did not give up. You finished the race. That is real success. Manav felt happy. His heart felt strong. That day, he learned something important. Effort matters. Trying matters. Finishing matters. Winning is good, but effort builds strength. From that day, Manav never stopped trying, and slowly his life improved. Because when you keep putting effort, you grow every day. Final message, my friends. This story is for you too. You may not always win. You may not always be first. But if you try, if you keep going, your effort will make you stronger. Ending line, thank you for listening. Keep learning English. Keep trying your best. And always remember, your effort always matters.